the stink! So this kind of video has to be done with compassion. Today's nuggets are gonna be tomorrow's collectibles. And it is transparent, we are killing an engine today. It is going to die. So I gotta make sure I use something that no one's gonna feel sad about. I think you're gonna agree, this thing deserves to die. 3, 2, Isn't it beautiful? We finally have an AU Falcon in the shop. AU Series 3. The end of the AU, and no one was sad the AU went away. And no one's going to be sad seeing this thing get a snoot full of Vegemite. And it had to be a Falcon, it had to be Aussie, it had to be an Australian engine. This pile of garbage is the father of the Barra. This one is absolutely shattered. It's got rust in spots that you just don't want to deal with ever again. And it was a paddock thrash car. It was on a paddock being beaten about, and it belonged to old mate Chris's dad. The brakes are seized on, and a bigger issue is the fuel pump's knackered, and so old mate Chris used the dodgiest method I've ever seen to get it almost in here, but we had to get a fuel pump in it. This is the stalest fuel I've ever smelled. Although James is like, I'm back at work at the old place. Seriously, the stink of this fuel. James worked on cars from the 1960s, for the record, so this is really stinky old fuel.
Oh, it's full.
Oh no! This is really
fuel.
It's it stinks. Look at the color of it. This is the stinky beast right here, the fuel pump. James is going to test it, see if it does anything, but it is literally dripping schmutz. Like, look at the schmutz coming out.
Doesn't do anything.
Does nothing.
Nope.
That's actually good.
Yeah.
That's like, okay, this is just a new fuel pump and away we go. Yeah, this isn't the right pump, but James is like, it'll work.
Yeah, I'll make it.
Well, what a disgusting hybrid of both fuel pumps. That other one is actually for an AU, and yeah, they have different ones. It is absolutely full of house varnish, and it means this is going to run on house varnish. Get more gravel in there. Needs more grit. Let there be juice, because that's apple juice. Gross. I have seen this engine run, but it can't run on this fuel. No way. Go for it. Don't. There's no belts, no water pump, no alternator, but there is a lot of rat mess on the top and rat chewing action. And none of that's getting fixed. We are going to put a radiator in it from the electric car conversion video. But yeah, it's not getting a water pump. It's just going to have water in the block, and mate, that's all she's getting. This engine actually runs pretty sweet. It's the smelliest car bomb oil I've ever smelled with the stalest fuel of all time. And it goes. Aussie engineering, what a motor. Right, let's prepare the soup. So we've done this a few times now. You know, with the Nutella and mineral oil combination, it was the hazelnut particles that really bound it up. It's actually how the Goober survived. It never got high RPM to blow itself to pieces. And then the eggnog in the Volkswagen. Basically what happened is all the water boiled off. There was no more any sort of lubrication of any sorts. And then it seized up and threw its bits everywhere. But we're gonna emulate the original recipe. We've got our beloved Aussie Vegemites, and we're gonna go with the mineral oil again so it doesn't burn off, right? And I don't know, are there particles in Vegemite? There has to be. I mean, we know there is so much salt in this. If you ate this jar, you would be in trouble, like actual trouble. Back in the old days of YouTube, watching eating challenge videos, watching Americans try spoonfuls of this stuff and all going, it was always really funny. Me and James are Vegemite peeps. Like, I'll lick the knife clean after having it. If you haven't seen it before, it's kind of like, you know, like a little more firmer than peanut butter, see what I mean? And yeah, it's a heckin' color. Look at the consistency on that. You can pick up the jar with it, so that's the consistency. 4 huge Vegemite jars, and for the record, you use so little. If you're making like Vegemite on toast, you put your butter down, and it's just the thinnest layer, right? And look, Aussies will look in here and go, mate, there's still a week left in there. James agreed, right? That can keep going. That's how little you really need to use, so This is a lot of Vegemite in here, and I should have used a white bucket 1 second. This is what every Aussie's dreamed of doing. Is this wild?
Wow.
Wow, Vegemite.
So much.
It's like axle grease. Man, and just as stinky if you're not into it. Yeah, it's Vegemite is a vibe. Imagine this rubbed into your blankets. It's over.
This is the most Vegemite I've ever seen in one place.
Yeah, you don't do this. Normally you buy like tiny little jars that last you weeks or a few months. Like.
Yeah, our Vegemite has the thick layer of dust on the cap, not because it doesn't get used, just because we've had it for so long.
Yeah, and it like doesn't go off. If it's in there, it's good to go. This stuff is like completely sterilized due to how much salt it has. It's the polar opposite of honey. Can you believe this came out of beer? Incoming mineral oil. It's now poisonous laxative. Oh, it mixes good. Oh no! It just sits on top. Wow!
Gonna need some...
That is not reacting at all.
Gonna need a lot of mixing.
Wow, if we want this oil back, we could just have it back. We could put all of this back and just pretend. It's like nothing. Oh, you can really see more of the brown in it. Looks like some deep sea object.
Oh. This is just going on my boots and not really mixing.
It's fighting the oil.
Yeah.
Wow. It doesn't mix at all.
No.
Uh-oh.
Go long enough, it'll suspend.
I mean, I'll take suspend. It can mix in the oil pump. This is gonna do nothing. It's not mixing at all. It's barely changed color, man. Now it looks like grey water out of a dishwasher. Look, it's still in a huge lump. I told you.
It's a little bit more something.
No, it isn't. It barely
is.
has. Looks like someone's upper decked a toilet and then hit flush.
It's definitely mushier.
Given the thrashing it's taken, that's abysmal. That's
More thrashing.
Yeah, it broke the mixer. And I'm telling you this won't mix. It broke the thing that mixes. You're just making awful gumbo. You're making poo gumbo. Dude, man, this is just straight up septic system. Man, and just the thing, if people hated the smell of Vegemite, this is putrid. But I like Vegemite, so I don't know, this is okay. Oh, no. I told you there's no color at all. This isn't even nothing. Oh, no. I've had mornings like this. I told you, James, it needed to be palmed in there. It was,
No, it's gone. It's gone.
I've had a Wednesday like this. No, stop, James. It's not going in. Stop it.
It's going in.
It is not. It's piling out the sides of it.
because I lifted it up.
It's gross.
It's just slow.
Oh, we've had a Sunday like this.
Just shove it in the hole.
As it just like rains all over the exhaust manifold. There's no more pouring, it needs scraping. Oh man, it's a good chunk.
Feels like those slime things you get in show bags.
Yeah, and they make the
Yeah.
noises. What, silly putty?
Yeah, kind of feels like that, but nah, the slimier one,
Oh, the cheap silly putty. The bootleg silly putty.
I guess.
I dislike the noises. Oh, she's just... Oh, no, I won't say.
Can I use the big funnel now?
No?
Oh.
What are you, crazy? Ah, we're nearly there. James just has to finger bang this through the friggin' oil hole and then we're in. Those are horrible noises. Ooh. Oh, you're gonna get all the dirt in there too.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be the problem. Winner.
Wow. I have no faith. Gotta check the dipstick and you watch, it'll be clear. There'll be no Vegemite on it, nothing.
It's clear.
I told you. Is there oil?
Yep.
All right, the mineral oil's made it to the bottom, which will actually lubricate the engine somewhat, and all the Vegemite is this giant chocolate slab up here.
I reckon once it's running a bit, it'll come out brown on the dipstick.
Nah.
I do.
Nah, it's gonna stay clear. A smile on its face for its big moment. Well, this radiator doesn't fit, so it's not getting that either. It's Aussie. It's used to hot temperatures, mate. It's got the power of the Vegemite in it. All right, first fire up on the Vegemite. Running on house varnish. That's perfectly smooth. Give her a rev. pan's already making noise. That's right, let's just let it run for a bit. No oil light, nice. Oh, the rat mess is burning off. Hey, who knows? Maybe the pistons will expand and seize up before the Vegemite kills it. Then it's rebuildable. You know, we don't know. Pull the dipstick. Has it got color on it? Is there any Vegemite at all?
Yeah, it's got some skid marks now.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it doesn't mean it's mixing, but okay.
Yeah, it smells like Vegemite. It smells like hot Vegemite.
Oh,
Looks like nothing.
no. Normally there's a little bit of blow-by, like from the crank, but there's nothing. It's completely blotted shut. It's been about 10 minutes, and you can just hear... Oh, there's some sort of knocking starting. James, just flat-foot it for like a good... Oh, that's crunchy! Oh, hear that? Oh, that's so crunchy in the bottom end. The bottom end's going... Uh-oh, it's hot. Oh, the rattle went away.
Yeah, it's big.
Italian tuna. Wow, that was death rattling something else. Oh, look, it's actually spraying out the hole now. So, oh, check the dipstick. What color we got? Pretty clear.
Yes, pretty clear.
I told you. It's not doing anything.
No, it's
nothing.
It's poo-stained gold.
It's nothing.
Yeah.
Nah.
Got some gold in it.
Barely, considering how much mess is in this thing. Well,
it smells hot.
it's very hot. I guess we just stay on the throttle until it goes bang. Go, baby! Come on! Oh, the stink! Wow! Still going! Wow! It's idling still! That's crazy!
It's just idling.
It's idling still. That's amazing. Check the dipstick. Bet you it's still clear.
Got more brown on it.
Yeah, not where it's meant to.
No, smoke coming out of the... Oh, it might just be steam coming out of the cooling hose. Yeah, it's still the same.
Oh, stinker.
Dead now?
That's what I thought. The bottom end's knocking heaps bad. Oh, whoa! Oh no! Is that our oil?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Vegemite.
That's Vegemite.
Oh no, we're losing all the oil.
We have a Vegemite leak.
Oh, it's blowing out the rocker cover.
Yeah.
Oh, gross. Honestly, idling fine. Oh no, it's just cut out. Oh, come on. That's it. Oh, put it in drive. Move forwards. Now move backwards. Oh, that's it. Oh, man. That's good. Oh. Yeah, put it in gear. Oh. ladles? Man.
Such sharp bangs then, I thought it'd let go.
Yeah. Oh, we'll keep going. Oh, the smoke coming out. Crack that block. Crack that block. James is pumping water through it to see if it can cool off. Yeah, she sees solid trying to break a bar.
Oh yeah, it doesn't move.
Yeah, that was tightening the bolt.
Yeah, it was.
What a bloodbath. What a Vegemite bath. I can't breathe in it. It popped out the dipstick. That's epic, man.
Some
Look.
pressure.
Gosh, this is as sad as it gets. And it's all Vegemite. All black you see is Vegemite. Oh yeah, it's the color on the dipstick now.
There's nothing on the dipstick. Oh, there's a couple of chunks of Vegemite.
Yeah.
Dipstick is very hot.
It smells like a toasty.
It does.
It's a burnt,
yeah.
It's a burnt toasty.
It is.
This is great. Honestly, it's only the burning rat mess that I hate. The burning Vegemite, that's just home at making toasties. So while Vegemite is very, very, very Australian, it is very, very, very not good at lubricating internal engine components. The way it resisted mixing with the oil in any kind. Even in here, I bet you this is just a big slab of Vegemite. But there's a second twist to this tale. Because of all the salt, we got to let it sit in here for a week before we pack it open. And since it hasn't blown any engine components out, who knows? We might be able to bring back the AU Falcon 4-litre Intech for future service. Here's to old salty. Well done, James. You've made the problem much bigger.